Welcome to this clear and comprehensive guide on how to invert colors on a picture using a presentation software tool. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to open your application, locate your presentation, select your desired image, and apply the inverted effect through the available artistic features. Each step is explained carefully to help you follow along easily and achieve a professional look with your presentation images. Begin by launching your presentation application on your computer. It is important to ensure that your software is up to date. Doing so can help avoid any unexpected behavior during the editing process. Once you have opened the application, locate and open the presentation file that contains the picture you want to modify. Navigating to the correct file might involve browsing your folders or using the search function within the software, so take a moment to ensure you have selected the appropriate file. After your presentation is open, proceed to identify the slide that holds the image you wish to work on. When you locate the correct slide, click on the picture itself to select it. By selecting the picture, you are activating the editing options that allow you to alter its appearance. It is a straightforward process, and the selection is typically highlighted by a border or handles around the image once you click on it. With the picture selected, direct your attention to the top menu where you will see several tabs related to picture editing. Navigate to the Picture Format tab. This tab houses a variety of tools that let you adjust aspects of the image, such as brightness, contrast, and effects. The Picture Format tab provides a user-friendly interface that is designed specifically for customizing and enhancing your visual content. Once you have switched to the Picture Format tab, look on the left side of the toolbar for an option labeled Artistic Effects. This option opens up a collection of creative image filters that you can apply to your picture. The Artistic Effects feature is a great way to experiment with the appearance of your image without having to use external editing programs. The tool provides a range of effects that can give your picture a distinctive and artistic look. From the list of available effects, choose the inverted effect. This effect flips the colors in your picture, turning each color into its opposite on the color spectrum. The process results in a striking, high contrast image that can lend an unexpected visual twist to your presentation. The inverted colors can be particularly effective when you need to emphasize details or create a dramatic backdrop for your content. As you apply the inverted effect, you might notice a preview of the change that lets you confirm the result before finalizing your edits. Taking a moment to review the appearance ensures that the effect meets your expectations and fits well with the overall design of your slide. This simple yet powerful adjustment can transform the way your image supports your presentation, making it more engaging and visually appealing. For further details or to review additional guides on image editing, you may want to visit Double, which offers a range of useful tutorials. Following these clear and practical steps allows you to quickly enhance your images, ensuring that your presentation carries a professional and polished look. Enjoy using this artistic feature and continue exploring creative ways to make your presentation stand out.